Okay, here we are. I got the car up on stands and running, and we're going to do a test of the transmission here. No, the wheel's not moving. There it goes. I'm going to have to get the brake to disengage. Brakes are still fully not disengaging. There they go. Yeah, that's spinning away. That's good. Oh, light. The gears pretty good. A little bit of drag on the rear brake on the left side. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to see. What I wanted to show you was this was interesting. Go ahead and put the brakes on. Yeah, let's go under the car. Ever didn't get the right video at the right time, I'll go anywhere. Look, brakes are on, engine's in gear. Let's see if we can make that noise for me again, baby. There's a very suspicious sound coming out of the bell housing, and I think I know. Well, basically, I think I know what fucked up my transmission. I think the torque converter in here has taken a shit. Whereas now that I'm under here with the camera, it's not making that beautiful sound for me anymore. Oh, there it goes. That's starting up now. Sounds like a fucking trash can rattling around with like some BBs in it or something. Oh man, I'm holding that muffler down there. What's that light over there? Where is that? Ooh. Oh, that shit stinks. Nothing like a hot exhaust in your face. Make that sound for me. Being suspiciously good at the moment. Let's see if I lean on it a little bit. Maybe it'll help. Makes that much of a difference or not. Yeah, I think I can hear it now. It's the drive shaft still spinning the other wheel. That's going to screw up the test. A little more brake on that to get that to stop. That should do the trick. Get under here again.